I am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am in Puerto Rico at the BEMA Convention, and I'm catching up with Richard Ybarra, Senior Engineering Manager for Manufacturing at Publix. Did I get it right?
Yes.
All right, Richard, thank you so much for catching up with me at BEMA Convention. You want to take a walk?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. So you've been coming to BEMA Convention as a Baker guest for 7 years?
Yes, for 7 years.
Wow. Okay, so what is your favorite part about the convention?
Well, the biggest thing I love about the convention is just the collaboration that we have and open conversations with bakers and suppliers.
Yes.
To me, that's really the purpose, and also to enjoy the accommodations and everything that we do here while we are on these events.
Right.
So yes.
So you also participate in BIF, the Baking Industry Forum for BEMA, correct?
That is correct. Yeah, we have the opportunity to share our experiences based on a team and of what they have seen in the industry and some of the things that are presenting themselves as challenges. So we try and focus on key items that would address some of those key issues that we have identified.
Right. So one of the things is AI. You all are really diving into AI. And we were just talking with the BIF group, and Kerwin made a joke, like, some people don't even know how to spell AI. Like, it's so new. What's sort of the range of experience in the group, and why did you guys choose to dive into AI?
When the group got together, it was something that was just rolling out and becoming, real, I guess, it was being talked about in the industry. I didn't know anything about AI. Our group didn't really have a lot of information on AI. We've heard of it, but nobody was really using it at the point. So we thought it was a good topic to go ahead and tackle. And so we went down that journey. And it has been a journey. We have found out quite a bit about AI and how it's being utilized and the do's and the don'ts.
Yes, and you spoke on a panel, and you also presented this morning in a breakout about your experience in diving into AI with your company, and I think you did an amazing job, and it was really eye-opening for bakers and suppliers to learn what some of those baby steps are to start incorporating AI into the operation. So thank you so much for all of that, and thank you for catching up with me and being here at BEMA in Puerto Rico.
Oh, well, thank you very much. I certainly appreciated it.